Are you recording?
Yeah. Welcome back to Mitali's Desi Kitchen. I hope তোমরা সবাই খুব ভালো আছো, সুস্থ আছো। তোমাদের সঙ্গে শেয়ার করব bonfire night. Okay, আমার সঙ্গে তো দেখতে থাকো। What about bonfire night, Alicia? Tell me. Why are you hiding?
Stop it.
Look, another one. She's walking too fast. Catch another one. She's next to me. Okay, let's go. Wait here. Mom, there's a fun there. Melissa.
Yeah?
Have a little chat with you before we light the skies. Now we're going to try a few things tonight. A little bit crazy, I know. This is Luton's biggest firework display this evening, and we've got thousands of you. So let's have a little cheer. You on the count of three. I want all of you to shout yeehaw. 1, 2, 3. That's what we're talking. We want to get every single one of you dancing to stay nice and warm. But what I'd like you to do, would you just grab your mobile telephone, your smartphone, get the torch on now, and I want how we begin. This is Luton Fireworks 2022. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's hear you sing it.
I can't be
Right, keep those arms up.
and the dawn seems so lonely. We fill it all with lonely.
That's it, don't get tired, we're doing this together.